Hey, what's happening, you guys? This is your boy Creative D Will, your everyday creative dad. Thank you guys for tuning in. I really do appreciate it. Today is going to be a super short video. Today we're going to be taking a look at Maschine and how to create a template inside of Maschine. That's like one of the most important things. I think that if you're just starting out, learn how to create your template. When you learn your workflow and learn the plugins and stuff that you like, that is why you need a template. I really love it. It speeds up my workflow and it makes everything awesome. So without further ado, let's dive in and let's get creative. All right, you guys, welcome back. So as you can see, I got an instance of Maschine pulled up here. And so saving a template or creating a template is super simple. All you got to do is once you figure out your workflow, figure out what you like to do, then just save it as a template. As you can see, I got like all of my scenes already made out for me. I got what I like, pretty much the go-to instruments. And like if you come over here to bass, for my sounds, I got some sounds that I go to all the time already loaded. I got Serato sample right here. I don't have any keys because I typically pick my keys. Synth, I don't have any synths or anything like that. But my transitions, I already got my transitions and everything that I like, the go-to transitions in my beat tag. I got all of that already automatically on here because unlike a lot of people, I like to actually arrange in Maschine. And when I load this template, I got all of my stuff already right here. All of my scenes. I got outro, hooks, verse 2. First, I call it first four or first 4 bars, verse 2, second 4 bars, third 4 bars, and fourth 4 bars. I like to produce in 4 bars because I produce at like 80 or 70. A lot of lo-fi stuff. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. But I have all my stuff set up. So once you get that set up and get your template how you like it, then all you got to do is go over here to File, boom, Preferences. If my computer will hurry up, there we go. Dang, that took forever to load. I need to load in seconds. Anyway, so then you go right over here to defaults. And as you can see under this project menu right here, you have standalone template and a plugin template. So what's the difference between the two? When Maschine is in standalone mode, boom, like it is right now, just no other DAWs running, it's just running by itself. Then this is the template that will pop up for this Maschine view. Now, if it's inside of a DAW or if it's inside of like Cubase, which is the best DAW, by the way, low key Jimmy, I know you're gonna hate, but anyway, Studio One, Ableton Live, whatever. When you pull it up as a plugin, this is the template that'll play for that. So I like to have all of my templates the same, so I just got one template set up. So what you would do is you'll click right here, boom, and you hit Save As. So I'll type in, let's see. Template. I'm not gonna save on my template, so hit template update, boom, boom. Then I can go, all right, disregard, I messed that up. We want to come over here, and once you get that, you want to hit Save As, and then you want to name the template, boom, right here, and I'll name it, let's say template update, boom, template update, boom. So we name that, and you see its name right here. Boom, come back over here to Preferences, and go to Defaults, and all you got to do is go right here and find that template that you saved. So what is that? Template update, boom. I'll click on that, and it is set it for this one. I'm not going to click on it because I already got my template set up that I like. Boom, and I'll do the same for that template. About, and whenever I close out or open a new project, the first thing to pop up is that template. So also I would recommend you take, you see how I got this saved in the project folders for Maschine? I would take that and save it on your, see, like Creative D Will 2021 template. I got this in a totally separate Maschine template folder that's separate from my project folder, because you might mess around and load it up and then save on top of your template. So I highly recommend you make a copy if you like your template and put it somewhere else as well as in the project folder from Maschine. So yeah, man, that's pretty much it. See, it wasn't a long video at all. So a template is awesome, man. It saves you time, a whole lot of time. I'm talking about literally, I get in here and I cook up in like 30 minutes. As you can see, the 30-minute beat cook up, it wouldn't have been possible if I didn't have this template loaded and my go-to stuff already loaded for me. So if you like this video, man, a super short video, I'm in a how-to series for Maschine, then please consider subscribing, hitting that like button, that thumbs up, and all that good stuff, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next video that I'm be rolling out, which is utilizing this template and actually arranging inside a Maschine. Yeah, I know, the myth, the legend, how to arrange inside a Maschine. That's what a lot of people get stuck up on. So that's gonna be the next video. But anyway, man, thank you guys for being awesome. Thank you for tuning in. Until next time, be awesome, be creative, and don't let anybody stop you from doing what it is you want to do in life. Deuces.